Hi there. So for some of you who are finding it difficult to use a calculator, I've explained in the video on trigonometry, but some of you are really finding it difficult to understand what what I was saying in words. So I'm just taking a picture of a calculator so that you can see. Like on this calculator that you have, you see this is the answer. This is what most of people have in class. So if I give you a problem like, let me say, okay, f is equal to 2 cos 60. I say this answer normally is 2 times cos 60. That's how you do. So on the calculator, we are going to, you look here, where is 2? You press 2 first. You come down here, this is my 2. Press 2. After you press 2, you press the multiplication sign. Or if you don't even press that one, there's no problem. Then you come now, you press what? Cos. And the bracket opens. Open your bracket. You press what? 6. You press 0. And you press bracket close. And then you press your equals to sign. And you're going to have your answer. So let me do it over again so that you can see. Let me cancel that and use different colors so you can really pick it out. Okay. So I said the first thing you do is you have to come and press 2. That's the first thing you do. Now after pressing 2, you come, change the color, you press the multiplication. After you press the multiplication, you go to the next. You press cos. Press cos, use cos, you press cos. After you have pressed cos, you go to the next color, you open the bracket, and you press 60. You press 60. Where's my 6? And this is my 0. Where's my 0? Press 60. And then you close the bracket. And then you close the bracket. You can be close the bracket. So this is the first number. There's another 8, so that's easier. Yes. So you have the first, which is this. You press 1. Go to the next 2, 3. Or the next. Open the bracket 4, 5, 6, 7. And the last one I did not mention is 8. You press equals to sign, and then you're going to have your answer. That's that. If you do that, your answer is going to give you 2, because cos 60 is equal, so it will be 2 times 1. Oh, sorry, 2 times half. So this is half, sorry. So the answer also be this 1, 1, this way 1. So the answer will be 1. So you punch that and you can try it and then see and confirm whether I'm right. Because we cannot have the answers on the screen because it's a picture. This is a picture. Picture calculator. Now, the other one I said if you have now the other one I said you should have sine inverse, right? So if theta is equal to sine inverse of half, how do you calculate that? So you have what is my sine inverse? So how do we go about that? That's why before I want. So if you want to look at sine inverse, Now on your calculator, so what do you do first? Now you're looking at sine. If you look up here, we have sine. You see this sine and the sine inverse. Up. You see cos, there's cos inverse. You see tan, there's tan inverse here. But how do you write this? So for you to write this one, you have to press shift. So the first thing you have to press is what? Shift. When you press shift, the next thing you press, the command press now sine. When you press sine, you have to open the bracket. Open the bracket, write the number. So we next write the number. Yes, my number will be 1, and the next sign will give you division. Press 1, press the division sign, press 2, press 2, and close the bracket. After press 2, you close the bracket, press the bracket, and then lastly put your equals to sign. You're going to have your answer. So when you press shift, this one, so this is the first case, number 1, and you come and press 2, sine. You have sine inverse. You see the sine inverse, you not see sine, you see the sine inverse now. So shift plus sine gives you sine inverse. Then now you open your bracket, number 3, write your 1, number 4, open your division sign, number 5, write your 2, number 6, and then lastly number 7. Then you have your answer there. And if you do your answer, you're going to have 30 degrees. And that will be your answer. You do that and punch and see. So that's how you use a calculator, the scientific calculator, in doing this. Thank you for watching, and make sure you're doing this with your calculator in your hand, because I don't have a calculator online on my video, but I have a picture of a calculator. So you do that to confirm the answers as I'm talking to you. Great.